SheCoding, code with confidence. So after a very long time we are meeting again. As somebody had requested that doing DAA course, that is Design and Analysis Algorithm. So this course or this subject mainly depends on few algorithms, which is most important to build a program or to solve some of the problems. Okay, so it is kind of a building blocks. Okay, for solving few problems. So today I'm going to cover those few topics which comes under DAA. If you're a new viewer, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. And if you are regular to my channel, then please do like, share and comment. Okay, let's start with the concept, that is knapsack. Okay, so what is this knapsack? Let us know first what is this knapsack. Knapsack, you can imagine you have a container. Okay, this is the container. This may be a bag or a container, but anything. So this is known as knapsack. Okay, this knapsack is of capacity M. Okay, this knapsack capacity is M. We can insert into this stack n number of objects. Okay, n number of objects can be inserted into this knapsack. Okay, so the capacity of knapsack is M and n number of objects can be inserted into the knapsack along with the weight W1, W2, W3, Wn. If there is a weight, there is also a profit. Okay, so the profit is connected to the weight. So profit will be P1, P2, P3, so on, P. So this is profit that is associated with the weight. Clear? So let us move on to the definition of knapsack problem. Basically knapsack problem is solved in two methods. One is the greedy method, other one is the dynamic problem solving method. Okay, so this is the first concept that I'm taking, that is greedy method. Okay, so in greedy method there is a scenario. When do we use greedy method? The agenda or the objective of this knapsack is, so we have to insert n number of object along with its weight into the knapsack, but we have to make sure that the weight of an object that we choose to insert should not exceed the capacity of the knapsack. Okay, let me repeat. Now ಏನು object ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, so along with its weight, so weight ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು object ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, it should not exceed the capacity of the knapsack. So how does it look like? So n should be lesser than or equal to m. Okay, so the objects should not exceed, the object weight should not exceed the capacity of the knapsack. Let us move on to the problem now. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ definitions ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ when I am doing the problem you will get to know what it is ಅಂತ. Fine? Yeah. So m is 40, n is 3, weight is 20, 25, 10 and profit is 30, 40, 35. So ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ usually confusion ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So let me put it in the tabular form. Okay, m remains constant because ಇದು knapsack ನ capacity. Okay, knapsack ಒಳಗಡೆ we can fill 40 weightage of objects. So 40 weight ಇರುವಂಥ objects ನ ನಾವು knapsack ಒಳಗಡೆ fill ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, let us put a tabular form now. So what is n? n is 3. So item will be 1, 2 and 3. Next, weight of the first item is 20. You can see here the weight of the first item is 20. The second is 25 and third is 10. Next, the profit. The profit is this one. The first item, the profit is to 30, 40 and 35. Okay, so this is item 1, item 2, item 3. There are 3 items, that is known as n here. Number of items is 3. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, the knapsack capacity is 40 ಇದೆ, the item is 3 ಇದೆ along with its weight and profit. Next, the step 1, we have to divide the profit by weight. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ನ ಅದರ weight, associated weight ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so suppose the first one is, what is the profit? The first profit is 30 divided by the second profit is 20, correct? So 30 divided by 20. Okay, the next one is 40 divided by 25. Then the third one is 35 divided by 10. Okay, so whatever the answer you get here, this is 3.5, this is 1.5 and 1.6. Okay, so 1.6, yeah. So these are the answers that we get when we divide the profit by the given weight of an item. Step 2 is, we have to arrange this in descending order, means decreasing order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So which comes first when we are arranging it in decrease order? So this comes first. 3.5 is greater than 1.6 and 1.6 is greater than 1.5. This is profit and this is weight. So now ಹೇಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, we have to arrange the profit and weight also in the same order. Okay. So what is weight of this? The weight is, sorry, what is the profit of this? The profit is 35 and weight is 10, correct? So comma, what is the profit of this? The profit is 40 and weight is 25, correct? So 1.5, this is 30 and 20. So this is the newly arranged profit and weight. Okay. So idra order alli ನಾವು ಹೋದ್ರೆ the item will be arranged in 3, 2, 1. This is the items. So ನಾವೀಗ next step ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ, that is based on this order and not this order. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 to 1 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. You might also get 1 to 3 sometimes. It depends on this. So let us move to the step 3. In step 3, we have created a table which contains, I'll be explaining, the object. Object is nothing but the items, that is n. Okay, so n is the object. The next is the weight. Okay, weight is this one. This is P. P is profit. And X. What is X andre? The quantity, okay, that we are taking. So suppose ನಾನು ಒಂದು soap ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Soap I'll be purchasing of 2 quantities. So I have a bag, carry bag, okay, which fits around 10 soaps in it. Okay, I have taken 2 soaps. So the 2, whatever the quantity that I'm taking, will be X here. RC stands for remaining capacity. But know that X is the quantity. Okay, so ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೆ I will be writing 1. ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ I'll be dividing it into RC divided by weight. That is remaining capacity divided by weight when the object cannot be filled completely into the knapsack. Okay, so the next is the profit. So profit will be changing from one object to another object. Okay, so that is P into X. So this into this, that is new profit that we will be finding here. Okay, then the remaining capacity. Remaining capacity is equal to remaining capacity minus the weight into X. We will have to take from here. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ from the 35, correct? And then from the object 3. So this is the first object that I'll be taking here. I need to mention my initial remaining capacity. So my initial remaining capacity is 40, correct? Nandu knapsack the capacity is to 40. So next I'll be taking the object 1, that is, okay, weight is 10 and the profit is 35. Okay, so now can I take complete 10 into the knapsack? My capacity is 40. Can I fill complete 10 weight object? Yes, I can fill. So I can fill completely 1. Okay, so ಈ complete 10 ಏನಿದೆ object, that is considered as 1 and I'm taking it as 1 and filling into the knapsack. Clear? You imagine the object weight is 100 and my knapsack weight is 1000. I can fill 100, but X alli I can't give it as 100. Okay, I have to give it as 1 because this is the single object. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು object ನಾನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. So one object is of weight 10 is filled into the knapsack that has the capacity of 40. Understood? Profit is equal to P into X. So what is P? P is 35. So my profit will be 35 into X is 1, that happens to be 35, correct? Okay, so my profit is 35. Now I need to find the remaining capacity. So RC is the new capacity. Original capacity was 40 minus the weight is 10 into X is 1. Okay, so what is my remaining capacity now? 10 ones are 10, 10 minus 40, or 40 minus 10 is 30. 30 is my remaining capacity now after filling this first object. So this is filled. Idu fill agide. Okay, the first object is filled completely. Okay, the next object now I need to take the second object, that is the weight of the second object is 25 and the profit of that is 40. Okay, ನನ್ನ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ 10 kg ಇರುವಂಥ ಐಟಮ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ 40 ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ 30, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ವೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 25. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಫಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್? ಎಸ್, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ 1 quantity, correct? Next, profit is equal to, what is the P here? The 40. So 40 into 1. 1 is X, I'm filling it completely. Okay. So 40 ones are 40 is the profit. Then the remaining capacity is, initially it was 30, so take it here, 30 minus, what is this weight? So weight is 25 into what is x? X is 1. So 25 ones are 25, remaining is 5. 30 minus 5, but 25 is 5. Clear? Third object weight is 20 and profit is 30. Okay, now there is a twist. None the sack capacity yesterday I have 5, but the weight of my item or a product is 20. Can I fill 20 kgs into 5 kg capacity knapsack? No, I can't fill 20 kgs of item or an object into the 5 kg capacity sack. So now there is a twist in this. X is equal to 1 RC divided by W. Now I'll show how you can do this. So X is equal to RC divided by W. This is the formula, correct? If I'm not able to fill complete object's weight into the knapsack, then I need to use this formula, that is the remaining capacity. What is the remaining capacity? It is 5. So 5 divided by, what is my weight? My weight is 20. Next, coming to the profit. So what is the profit here? 30 is the profit into, what is X? 5 divided by 27. Next is RC. Now remaining capacity is equal to, take it here, 5 minus, what is the weight that I have for the object? 20 is the weight, into, what is X? X is 5 divided by 20, correct? So 20 gets cancelled. Remaining 5 minus 5 is 0. So the knapsack capacity has become 0. So we will be stopping the method here. We have to write the profits in this form, okay? First is 35, next is 40, next is 7.2. Ade formally we have to write fraction. This one, 5 by 20. This we have to write, okay? So the next is weight. This one we have to write. Okay, all these three must be written and then your problem is solved. Okay, so what is the profit that we have obtained? 35, 40, 7.2. Okay, what is the fraction that we have obtained? 5 by 20. This is the weight that we have, 10, 25 and 20. Clear? So this is the final answer. Hope you found this video helpful, and before ending this video, let me give you one more question so that you can calculate in your own. So after a few minutes, I'll be revealing the answer. I forgot to tell you the point. So when you are writing the profit after completing all the steps, okay, we have to sum up the profits that we have found. So I mean, the previous problem profit was 35, 40 and 7.2, correct? So you have to sum up these, like 35 plus 40 plus 7. Okay, 82.2 is the sum of the profit for old one. Okay, the previous which I've solved, the sum of the profit is 82.2. I want you to find the sum of profit for this problem. So kindly try to solve this question here and let me know what answer you get. If you are stuck between any of the steps, please do comment. I will make another video to make you understand. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Hope this video is helpful for you. If so, please do subscribe, like and share and comment if any queries, and click on the bell icon to get a notification on my new videos. And keep supporting, keep watching. Love you. Bye bye.